Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's make some apple crumble cupcakes. A perfect treat to have during cold weathers. Apple, cinnamon, brown sugar. When everything comes together, it becomes incredibly delicious. Add some cornstarch and some chopped apple. Mix it and keep it aside. Now into a large bowl, add vegetable oil with some brown sugar. Mix it well. Add some milk and mix it. Now add in 1 egg and combine it well with the milk and sugar. Add few drops of lemon juice and mix it. Now let's add all the dry ingredients like all-purpose flour, baking powder and baking soda. Sift that and add it to the wet mixture. Mix all the dry ingredients really well and make sure there is no lumps or dry flour in the cake batter. Now add the chopped apples. Fold that in with the cake batter. Now our cupcake batter is ready. Now take a muffin tray, place some cupcake liners. Now fill each liner with the cupcake batter. The main ingredient for the apple crumble cake is the topping. So let's make some strudel for that. Into a large bowl, add brown sugar, all-purpose flour, and for the spices, let's add some cinnamon powder and ginger powder. Mix all the dry ingredients and add in some cold butter. Mix it really well with your hands. Once it becomes some crumbs like this, add it on top of the cupcake batter. Now bake this at 180-degree preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And here you go, our apple crumb cupcakes are ready. So actually these cupcakes are really soft inside and it has a light crispy top layer. So definitely try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.